Introducing the Sengled Smart Plug, a convenient and efficient solution for your smart home needs. This plug offers a wide range of features and specifications that make it a must-have for any smart home enthusiast. One of the standout features of the Sengled Smart Plug is its S1 auto pairing capability. With this feature, you can easily connect your plug to Alexa devices without the need for registration or a third-party account. It's a hassle-free setup that allows you to start using your smart plug in seconds. Additionally, this smart plug offers energy monitoring functionality, giving you the ability to monitor the energy consumption of your plug-in devices. Set timers and schedules to avoid wastage and save money on your electricity bills. From lamps to fans, humidifiers to Christmas lights, you can manage and reduce energy consumption with ease. The smart plug also enables you to schedule and set timers for your lights, fans, and other home electronics or appliances. This automation feature allows you to have full control over your home stuff, ensuring convenience and efficiency. However, it's important to note that remote control is not available. The control functions are limited to local access only. When it comes to quality, the Sengled Smart Plug is built to last. It can handle heavy-duty loads up to 15A and 1800W, making it durable and reliable. The plug is also fire-resistant and compliant with all FCC, ETL, FCC, IC, BQB standards, ensuring the utmost safety and peace of mind. Another notable feature of the Sengled Smart Plug is its offline mode. With this mode, your plug operates through localized mesh networks, removing the need for cloud or network connectivity. This means you can enjoy a more secure smart home experience without compromising on functionality. The Sengled Bluetooth app offers multiple mode options, and no account is required for direct local connection. In summary, the Sengled Smart Plug is a versatile and high-quality product that brings convenience, energy efficiency, and security to your smart home. With its easy setup, energy monitoring capabilities, scheduling features, and offline mode, it's a smart plug that ticks all the boxes. Upgrade your home automation system with the Sengled Smart Plug today. Product information. Product type, Sengled Smart Plug. Short link, https://amzn.to/3sewer2e. Specifications. Auto pairing with Alexa devices, energy monitoring, smart outlet remote control, 15A smart socket, 1800W, timer and schedule, Bluetooth mesh smart home. No hub required. Quantity, 4-pack. Quality assurance, durable design, fire resistant. Compliance, all, FCC, ETL, FCC, IC, BQB. Offline mode, localized information security, secure local connection without cloud or network dependency.